Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my vlog number 4, the different kinds of the sounds of animals, and which if I can do the different kind of sounds of animals, then the first I will use it individually through my own, and then the second is the combination of the sounds. Okay, let's try. The first sounds of animals is cat. Cat sounds is just meow, 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 meow. When cat hurts, meow, 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 meow. That's it, a cat. And now let's proceed to dog. When dog hurt, that is the sounds number 2, dog. Sounds number 3, the chicken sounds. Now let's proceed to the sounds number 4, the sounds of a birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. Takrit, 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 takrit. Rock, 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 rock. That's it. Now let's proceed to the sounds of goat, number 5. The sounds of goat is just that's it, the sounds of a goat. Let's proceed to the sounds of carabao, number 6. Nah, 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 nah. That's it. Let's proceed to the sounds of snake, number 7. Psst, psst. That is snake, number 7. Now, let's proceed to the sounds of number 8, which is duck. That is sounds of a duck. And now, let's proceed to the sounds of frog. That is the sounds of a frog. Now, let's go on to the combination.